Good morning. Welcome to Minimalist Yoga. So in this series, I share 5 yoga poses and 1 essential oil to give you whatever it is we're doing. And today we are doing a wake up series. So this is a really nice series to do when you're kind of feeling a little groggy and you don't really want to get out of bed. So we're going to start low and slow and build. And in just 5 poses, we're going to get you going for your day. The oil I've chosen, the essential oil, is peppermint oil. I love any kind of mint oil. Peppermint is one of my favorites. Stick it in the diffuser or just smell it. Sometimes it's nice to put it on your forearms so that you can smell it as you go along. You become your own personal diffuser. So you can try that out as well. So we're going to begin on our backs because we want to start lying down, right? And so you're going to lay on your back. You're going to bring your knees up into your chest. Take your arms out to the side. We're going to start with a nice twist. So take your legs over to the left. And if you can get them all the way to the ground, great. But if you can't, you can just use your arm to support them. Come back up. Go over to the other side. Come back up. And one more time to each side. Just start getting that spine woken up. Come back through the center and over. And come back up. Roll all the way over to one side. Come up onto all fours. We're going to move into an extended child's, a really active one. So you're going to place your palms down and walk your knees back. And then send your sit bones up as you take your forehead down toward the floor. Just stretching out that spine, waking it up a little bit. And then coming up, stepping your right foot up between the hands. Release the hips forward. Place the left hand down as you sweep your right arm up into a twist. This does not count as a separate pose. We're still in lunge. So this is pose number 3. Come back down, step the right foot back into extended child's. I reserve the right to repeat one of the 5 poses. And come back up, step the left foot up for a lunge. Release the hips forward. And then sweep the arm up. Open across the heart. And then come back down. And you're going to step the back foot up next to the front foot, moving into Uttanasana. Just give yourself a nice knee bend, however far you need to get the fingers down. And then you're going to round up, hands on the thighs, draw the belly in, round all the way up into Tadasana. Sweep the arms forward and up and overhead. You're going to lift the heart, arc up, moving into cactus. And then bring the palms together in front of your heart. Take a breath. Tell me you're not ready for your day. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video.